हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक। सेम लोकेशन, डिफरेंट सेटअप। आज मेरे पास वैसे कुछ बात करने को है तो नहीं, लेकिन कंटिन्यूइंग द सीरीज़ डे 3 है। आई थिंक ये डे 3 या 4 होगा ऑफ 150 अपलोड्स। सो आज मैं कुछ चीज़ें शेयर करने वाला हूँ। वन ऑफ देम बीइंग लाइक, एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी है दैट इफ़ यू डोंट रियली केयर, like if you either you care too much or you don't really care. So in relationships you have to care too much. You have to keep it solid. तुमको उसको मतलब उसको रखने के लिए ना तुमको you have to give a part of yourself to it, towards money, towards your goals, towards relationships. But in places where you don't really care, like for example अगर तुम लोग के पास कोई, कह सकते हैं तुम लोगों को ऑरा बिल्ड करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल तुम लोगों को अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में ऑरा बिल्ड करना है, इफ़ यू गिव टू मच ऑफ अ फक इन दैट, यू आर गोइंग टू फक अप। क्योंकि when you care too much about something, you give it your all, and caring too much about the wrong things and giving it your all will always result in bad things. So like, अगर तुमको फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे वो एग्जांपल था कि यूनिवर्सिटी में तुम्हें ऑरा बिल्ड करना है और तुम बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हो उस पर कि हाँ भाई मैं तो ऐसे एकदम मुंह बंद करके ऐसे मॉक करते हुए चलूँगा, एकदम ऐसे जॉ लाइन दिखा के चलूँगा और आंखें ऐसे एकदम ऐसे हंटर आइज बना के चलूँगा, देन यू आर रियली गोना लुक लाइक अ जोकर एंड ऑरा की जगह तुम्हारा लौड़ा बिल्ड हो जाएगा। तो yeah, that is one of the things. And another thing is that if you really care about if you care about the right stuff, like for example the relationships in your life, and for example your goals, like one of them being money. So if you give too much of a fuck about money and you just run behind it कि भैंचोद मैं तो, sorry pardon my language, कि मैं तो आज पैसा कमा के ही रहूँगा, मैं तो बिल्कुल मतलब I have to free my family, I have to give it my all, I have to do my best, I have to do everything in my will, in my power, in my gut, in every soul of my being to earn money, to make my parents financially free, to make myself financially free, to sustain the lives of my siblings, to sustain the lives of my family, to sustain my life, to sustain my future life, like मेरी wife की, मेरे बच्चों की, and everything like that. If you just think and just give it your all, then you're definitely gonna succeed. Like I haven't succeeded yet, but I know for a fact, I know for, मैं लिख के दे सकता हूँ कि इन द 10 years का कोर्स आई बी in the course of 10 years I'll be really rich, I'll be working a job as a therapist, I'll have 2 really successful YouTube channels. One would be this one, the other one would be tech and gaming related. Yeah, tech and gaming, because these are the 2 things I love most. So maybe I'll put this into tech and vlog and that one into gaming streaming only, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ वहाँ पे स्ट्रीम करूँगा, सो उस पर गेमिंग की वीडियोस नहीं आएंगी. आई डोंट लाइक क्रिएटिंग वीडियोस फॉर गेमिंग इज़ व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड, क्योंकि making videos is like fabricating and creating a story out of instead of enjoying, and for me games is like enjoying instead of a career. I just want to enjoy games, and streaming is the purest form of that. So that is one thing. Then being a therapist is just my, I think it's my calling. It's what one of the things I'm supposed to do, because public speaking, therapy go hand in hand. Next would be this channel, a personal brand that I'm trying to build here. Next would be this channel. Also I'm trying to build an Instagram page, which I will start I think by the start of June, because तब मेरा birthday आता है, and तब तक hopefully I'm able to pull off maybe 100 views consistently on this channel. If I'm able to do that, then I'll just start my Instagram. It'll just give me more motivation to start Instagram. So if not, then I'll delay it to maybe 15th of June, 30th of June, or maybe not even this year, because Instagram not really my goal. I need to build a personal brand here, I need to document my journey. So I was watching this video which said that there are 3 destinations in life: A, B and C. So B is where you are right now, A is where you were, and C is where you want to be. And while documenting, you need to show your journey from B to A, like where you are right now, where you started, and then from A to C. People don't want to see the scripted all that chat GPT generated AI स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह नहीं देखना है लोगों को. पीपल वॉन्ट टू सी द रियल यू. इन अ पर्सनल ब्रांड, ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज यू. पीपल, if people come in for to watch your video, they don't come in for you, they come they don't come in for the product or for what you're doing, they come for you, because you are the brand, because you are the video, because you are the purpose, the centric, the goal of that video is you. And hence I'm gonna build a personal brand on YouTube. Like this is one of the best ways to do it. Like I took up this challenge of uploading 150 videos in this year. I know it's little, I know it's too less, because it takes hundreds, thousands of videos for you to become a successful creator, but I think I had a little boost in creation क्योंकि I have been speaking बचपन से, and the skill of talking to a camera is not really weird for me. And ये जो वीडियो है, इससे पिछले जो वीडियो है, आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि आई हैव बिन अपलोडिंग फॉर सम टाइम नाउ एंड आई वॉज नेवर एबल टू गेट दीज वीडियोज़, माई फ्लो, माई थॉट ऑफ माइंड इन वन सिंगल वीडियो. एंड इसमें मैं कुछ सोच के भी नहीं आता, आई जस्ट थिंक कि मुझे किस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करना है. आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग एंड माई स्पीच, माई आर्टिकुलेशन इज़ सो गुड, माई वोकेबुलरी इज़ डिसेंट एट बेस्ट. सो वॉट आई गेट टू डू इज़ आई जस्ट स्पीक एंड मेरे थॉट्स अपने आप आर्टिकुलेट और अपने आप वो वॉइस बन जाती है. एंड आई एम एबल टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू what I mean, what I want to say, what I want to do. And yeah, that was it. Matlab, articulation has really given me a boost here. I know it takes people years, even I mean it takes decades for people to figure out what or how they're going to succeed on YouTube, but for me I think it's going to take a decent amount of time, not that much, 3-4 years, maybe 4 years at best. I'm going to try my best. College से निकलने के बाद तो I will just give 110% of myself on YouTube, because therapy would be, I think, if I go into masters or maybe even bachelor's right now, as जैसे मैं अभी हूँ, so I think I can give decent time to this hobby of mine of YouTube, this career choice of mine, which is therapy, which I'll be able to pursue after one semester, because my university allows for me to switch courses. And yeah, that's just it. That is one of the biggest things that has that keeps me going is मेरे पूर्वजों ने भी तो करा था. That is one more thing, but that is a topic for another video. And yeah, that was just it for today. I loved talking to you. Enjoy so much creating these videos. This is my setup. ये मेरे hostel की छत है. I don't even think I am supposed to come here, but yeah, I just sneak here some whenever I want to create a video. Light बाहर की तरफ है, but वो bounce करके मेरे face पे आ जाता है, तो it creates a really good look. हवा चल रही है. I feel cold क्योंकि again it's the same setup. It's shorts. I was getting ready to sleep. And yeah, मेरे यहाँ gym नहीं खुल पा रहा है, so I've been getting fat. ये देखो, I gained fat, but I think I'm okay, because yeah, I have lost some fat. I've lost muscle, a lot of muscle. I had some muscle here in my face, which I have lost. I need to regain that. I need to chew, but इधर university में वो हो नहीं पा रहा है. So yeah, that was it. And nothing much really. I just worked. So there is this marathon that my university is organizing. It's on 10th, and I registered for the volunteering of it. So we created a master sheet Excel today, and that was good. And us din I might be taking stage management, because yeah, I know articulation is my thing, so stage management is going to help me, and it's really cool. So yeah, take care of yourself and love you.